Hello friends, welcome back to Solid Principle series again. I am Hari, your C++ mentor. तो अभी तक इस सीरीज में हम लोग 3 प्रिंसिपल्स के बारे में बात कर चुके हैं और जो लास्ट वीडियो था उसमें हमने लिस्कोव सब्स्टिट्यूशन प्रिंसिपल के बारे में बात की थी. सो प्लीज मेक श्योर कि आप वो वीडियो जरूर देखें. आज हम बात करने वाले हैं जो 4th प्रिंसिपल है जिसे हम इंटरफेस सेग्रीगेशन प्रिंसिपल के नाम से जानते हैं. तो इससे पहले कि हम आगे बढ़े, प्लीज मेक श्योर कि आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, बेल आइकन को प्रेस कीजिए ताकि जब भी कोई हम नया वीडियो अपलोड करे उसका नोटिफिकेशन आपके पास सबसे पहले पहुंचे और वो वीडियो आप सबसे पहले देख पाएं. तो आइए बढ़ते हैं और समझते हैं इंटरफेस सेग्रीगेशन प्रिंसिपल को. ओके फ्रेंड्स, लेट्स लुक एट द इंटरफेस सेग्रीगेशन प्रिंसिपल. दिस इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग एंड वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट प्रिंसिपल. सो मेक श्योर that you watch this video till the end so that you understand this principle very well. तो ये जो इंटरफेस सेग्रीगेशन प्रिंसिपल है ये सॉलिड प्रिंसिपल का चौथा प्रिंसिपल है एंड दिस मेनली फोकसेस ऑन द डिजाइन ऑफ द इंटरफेसेस. तो अभी तक हमने देखा जो इंटरफेसेस हैं वो हमको हेल्प करते हैं क्लासेस के बीच में लो कपलिंग अचीव करने के लिए. एंड जो हमने पहले ओपन क्लोज प्रिंसिपल में देखा कि इन इंटरफेसेस की हेल्प से हम लोग हमारी क्लास की जो फंक्शनैलिटी है उसको एक्सटेंड कर सकते हैं विदाउट टचिंग द क्लास, विदाउट मॉडिफाइंग द क्लास. सो यू कैन अज्यूम दीज इंटरफेसेस काइंड ऑफ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. तो एनी क्लास कैन रिक्वेस्ट अ सर्विसेस ऑफ अदर क्लास, दोज फॉलोज और फुलफिल दिस कॉन्ट्रैक्ट और इंटरफेस. So now the problem becomes or problem happens when these contract or interfaces becomes extensive or too big. Because if your interfaces are growing, so there is a maintainability issue. So these kind of problems, mainly this interface segregation principle helps us to solve. So let's look at what exactly this interface principle talks about. So this interface segregation principle mainly talks about two things. One, that no one should be forced to depend upon the interface that they do not use. Second, break down the fat interface or the extensive interface into the smaller interfaces. So now let's look at the code or a problem or a code example where we will see what kind of problems we face, and then later on we will see with our refactored code that how we will solve those problems. So in this example you can see I have an audio device manager. So with this we will have audio devices registered using start and stop method, and they can have input and output using read data and write data. Now imagine I have a device which is currently input and output device both, means it can take input and provide output. So that device will be implementing this interface. Basically it can read input, it can provide output. So far so good, nothing, no problem. Now assume that we have a device which only provides which only can take input, and we have a device which can only take or which only provides output. So now with this kind of interface, where will be the problem? Now the first problem immediately I can see that even though I have an audio device which is only an input device, if that device is going to implement or use this interface, it is forced to implement the write data interface even though that is only an input device. Now another example could be I have a device which is basically an output device. If that device will use this interface, again it will be forced to implement read data interface even though it is only an output device. Now second issue, suppose tomorrow this interface grows, I may have seek function and any other function. So now we will end up having functions जो कि हमारी डिवाइस इवन डोंट सपोर्ट, सो वी विल एंड अप हैविंग फंक्शंस जिनके लिए हमारे पास कोई मीनिंगफुल इंटरफेस नहीं है, बट स्टिल माय डिवाइस विल बी फोर्स्ड टू इंप्लीमेंट दोस काइंड ऑफ इंटरफेसेस. सो लेट्स लुक एट द रिफैक्टेड कोड, जहां पे हम इस प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करेंगे एंड हाउ दिस इंटरफेस सेग्रीगेशन प्रिंसिपल हेल्प्स अस टू फोकस or to solve this kind of problems. So this is our refactored code. So here you can clearly see that we have divided this interface into various different interfaces, specific interfaces. जहां पे हमारा audio device manager है, so it is only providing the functionality where you can register a device using start function and unregister device using stop function. And we have another interface which provides the functionality for only input device manager or basically only input devices, and we have another interface जहां पे हमने सिर्फ जो functionality provide की है that is for the output devices. Now suppose I have a device which only takes input, so I can simply have my own device manager which will implement these two interfaces, for example audio device manager and audio input device manager. So because my device is currently only input device, so I will be only implementing the registration functionality, basically start and stop functions, and then only the read data interface because my device is only input device. So same way, if I have only output device, I can implement audio device manager and audio output device manager where I will be implementing this registration functionality and only the interface which is needed and which should be implemented by the output device. And suppose I have a device which supports both input and output, so I can implement all these three interfaces and I can support input output as well. So now you can clearly see by segregating those big interfaces into these small interfaces, our classes are only implementing the functionality which they support. They don't have any interface for which they cannot provide any meaningful implementation. So we will be having only part of the interface which we need. So you can clearly see by taking care of this interface segregation principle, we have maintainable code now, and it is much more cleaner than the earlier one, and no device is basically dependent on the kind of interfaces which they do not use, and we have smaller interface. Okay friends, that's all for today. अगर आपको कोई कमेंट है, सजेशन है या फीडबैक है तो नीचे कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखें. इस वीडियो को लाइक करें, ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें. अंटिल द नेक्स्ट वीडियो, स्वस्थ रहें, सुरक्षित रहें, क्विक स्टेप के साथ रहें. धन्यवाद.